Hello, in this video I'll be explaining how frost damage works in Diablo 4. And first thing, you might be wondering if frost damage applies to the bosses, and it actually does. So if you stagger the boss, you can see the yellow bar filling up when you attack him. It will fill up and then he's staggered, you will get the frost damage. Next thing is I'm playing as a sorcerer, so I have different frosted skills, and when we hover over any skill we can check its tags, and Frostbolt has, for example, basic and frost, so that means I'm dealing frost damage with that skill. You can also read that frozen enemies cannot move or attack. Enemies can be frozen by repeatedly chilling them. And when we click on our inventory and move to materials and stats, we can see damage with frost. And here's this statistics. The higher it gets, the more damage you will deal with when the enemy is frozen or when the boss is frozen. And there's many different items that you can use to increase it, and also you can find the frost damage on the paragon for a sorcerer, not sure for any other class. And there's also damage versus frozen. This statistics also applies when you attack them with a frozen skill. And we have damage versus crowd control. It also applies with this skill. And yep, that statistic is kind of powerful, I would say, with all of this different statistics affecting it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.